Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to create a Snapchat. To create a Snapchat, firstly you need to download the app from Play Store. Tap on search. Now start typing Snapchat. After you download the Snapchat, open the app. Now tap on sign up. Now you need to enter your first and last name. After you enter your first and last name, tap on agree and continue. After that, you need to set your birth date, and tap on continue. Now, you need to choose a username. Snapchat will also suggest you the username. Tap on continue. Now, you need to set a password at least with 8 characters. Tap on continue. Now you can tap on use phone number instead of Gmail. Over here tap enter your phone number and tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you will get a verification code, and after that you can find your friends, you can add friends. If you still have any question, comment down below.